Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show. Today is day 2 aboard our 11-day Journeys cruise on the beautiful Carnival Venezia. So today we're going to continue to explore this gorgeous ship, but today is our first stop at Celebration Key. We're going to explore this gorgeous brand new island. We're going to do all of the things. We're going to take you through and do a little bit of dancing. Then we're going to explore the food that's available on this island. Get in the water for a quick swim because, of course, why not? And head back to the ship for our dinner and entertainment for this evening. Join us on this adventure. This is how it looks. Okay, today is day 2. Day 2. And this is how it looks at about 8 o'clock in the morning. This is good morning. This is where the party people were at last night, dancing on bar tops and tables. But right now we have docked in Celebration Key, and so people are asleep or getting off the ship. We're going to have breakfast. Marco Polo restaurant. Here's the Marco Polo restaurant. With no one in it. This is actually going to be our restaurant for dinner. Very cool. Cute statues. But we're not going to Marco Polo right now. We're going to Grand Canal. It is time to go through the casino, y'all. We're still looking for the Grand Canal restaurant, just to let you know. Haven't found that yet. Says it was on deck 3 aft. We were on 3 and couldn't find it. So now we're told to go to deck 4 and go aft and then go down. But this is what it looks like here in the casino. Looks like this is where I'm gonna get so much money. I'm gonna have like $10,000 and I'm winning. So I'm really excited about this opportunity, and they have some good machines. The Dragon Links are over there. This is gonna be fun. Money waiting for me, just waiting for me. And I'm coming to get you. All right, y'all. This ship is beautiful though. It's beautiful. This is the restaurant we've been looking for. Up, down, around. But we found it. Now you know that is a sign. Sitting, having breakfast on the cruise ship, look out and see that beautiful rainbow. I like it. So this is such a pretty dining room. Look at this. The Grand Canal dining room. And here is the centerpiece of that dining room. Isn't that gorgeous? I've never been in a dining room on a cruise ship that had this. That is just simply gorgeous. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? I like it. Look at what was waiting for us after breakfast. Hey, dude. All right, everybody in the comments, give him a name. Her, him, I want a name. Drop it down in the comments. We are headed out now to the private island. I've been really looking forward to this private island. Celebration Key? Yes. All right, Celebration Key, here we come. Let's go. All right, we have made it off the ship. That beautiful ship up there. Let me get a better look. Evan needs the, she's a gorgeous girl. She's not a big girl. She's gorgeous. Okay, it's windy, so my hat. All right. Let's make it. So if you want to take a tram, you come in here. Sorry about the wind, everyone. I thought, let me do a really quick voiceover. These next 3 days, getting off on the ship, it gets windy, windier and windiest. Super windy, but we still had a great time. But I just wanted to let you know, it was hat blow off your head. about to do like a musical performance. So I sat down and took a break from shopping to check this out. Let's see what it's all about. Let's take a look at Carnival's brand new private destination right here in Grand Bahama Island, Celebration Key. And let me tell you, the scale of this place is absolutely massive. You just walk right off the ship's pier and straight into Paradise Plaza to start your day. Now, the island is broken up into areas called portals. If you're looking for family fun, you've got Starfish Lagoon with a giant 10-story sandcastle and racing water slides. But if you want to relax, you've got Calypso Lagoon, which features the largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean and a massive swim-up bar with over 160 seats. Plus, there is a mile of pristine white sand beach with tons of complimentary chairs and umbrellas. And don't worry about getting hungry. Your Island Eats token gets you a free meal at the food trucks or the food hall, or a massive discount at the full-service spot like Mingo's. This place is beautiful. The energy is pure Carnival, and I'm about to go and explore it all. Drop a comment if you're ready to book a cruise here, and let's go check out the rest of the island. In case you need it, they have what's called a pharma box, and let me show you some of the things that they have in here. Looks like there's plenty of sunscreen, toothpaste, antiperspirant, razors, soap, then all kinds of medications. Things that you might have forgotten, and you can pick them up here. Icy hot, Benadryl, I'm not sure of the prices, but it's available. All right, we have made it to the food truck pavilion, and we need to talk about how food works. Look for the signs that say Island Eats. I'll show you in a minute. Your Carnival sale and sign card gives you a token for a complimentary meal at these trucks. Just check the menu. One side is your free Island Eats option and the other side is for the premium paid upgrade. So first up, we're hitting Seaside Burgers and Dogs. If you want that classic beach comfort food, this is your spot. They're serving up juicy grilled to order burgers, gourmet dogs with all the toppings. Perfect if you want to just grab something quick and head back to the beach. Right next door, Calypso Chicken. Think island spiced, crispy, or grilled chicken with incredible local flavors. And you cannot pass up this one right next door, Flippin' Fritters. This is where you get your fix on authentic Bahamian conch fritters. And the best part, it's all right here, it's fresh, and it's included in your day. So I just got my order from the wing spot. I will make sure to place the correct name right up here. It took a while for the order, but all that means is that they're freshly cooked. You place your order, and then you have to wait till they're cooked. All right. Let me show you what I got. These are the, let me see, pineapple rum. And these over here are the lemon pepper. I'm gonna report back to you in a minute if they're good or not. Plenty of restrooms and showers and free lockers. And they have a space where you can play basketball. They have pickleball, cabanas, all kind of fun stuff. We're gonna spend some time at Calypso. And here is that swing area that I was telling you about, this massive swim up bar with over 160 seats. That would be a fun place to enjoy your day. We are getting ready to head out of Celebration Key. This was a great island. I just want to take you on the look of these two beautiful ships sitting in port. Carnival Celebration right there with us. And as we're leaving out, there is a woman with very island sounding vibes singing a Michael Jackson tune. It's just a lot of fun, upbeat, fun time. We had a great time here at Celebration Key. I highly recommend it. I'm really not a private island girl, but this one has changed my mind. Great day. So in Marco Polo dining room, our day 2 dinner started off with a barley soup with ham. Good flavor, a little peppery, kind of mild. And for dinner tonight, it is beef Wellington with a cheesy potato au gratin, and then another like cheese potato wedge of something, I don't know. Let's see if it's any good. The beef Wellington is very tender. The crust is not super flaky, but it's still very good. The cheesy au gratin is good. It's potatoes and cheese, what's not to like. And the soup, I think I already mentioned that. The soup was pretty good too, so I am enjoying this. And we ended our night after dinner with a show. We went to the theater show, and it was this powerhouse. You can't talk about an 11-day journey on Venezia without mentioning the legendary Marcus Anthony. This man is an absolute powerhouse of a singer, and his sweet soul and Motown sets brought down the house. Please stop it right away. And I remember just what you said. That's it for day 2. Continue on the series with us because our next day is formal night and it gets hot
in this place for formal night. Thank you so much for joining, and we will catch you at the next adventure.